Let's go back to a few familiar problems and solve them again in terms of fault trees. So the first one we take up is the bridge example. You remember that it has two piers, one deck slab and four girders, and we discussed the system logic, and we came up with a block diagram that looks like what you have on your screen. So we need to create the fault tree. So our top event is bridge fails. So that's our system failure. And because most of these elements are in series, so we would start with an OR gate. So any one of them failing by itself is tantamount to system failure, and those include the two piers, the deck slab, and so on. So let's take a look at those one by one. So one of the inputs into the OR gate would be the failure of pier 1. So pier 1 fails is an elementary event that feeds into the OR gate. Just like that, also pier 2 has the same contribution. So pier 2 also feeds into the OR gate. And the same role is played by the deck slab. So deck slab fails is another contributor into the OR gate. Now, it's convenient for our understanding is to create a new subsystem, and let's call that the girder subsystem. So if the girder subsystem fails, then the bridge system fails. So that's another feed into the OR gate, but there are interesting details there. And from what we see, what we decided was if the end girders fail, any one of them, which is girder 1 or girder 4, then the whole system fails, and that in turn causes the bridge system to fail. So the girder subsystem also is built up of an OR gate, but there girder 1 and girder 4 contribute individually, but girder 2 and girder 3 do not. They go through an AND gate because both of them must fail in order for the girder subsystem to fail, which in turn causes bridge system failure. So we have a smaller subsystem composed of girder 2 and girder 3 together. If they fail, then the girder subsystem fails, and then that feeds into the higher level OR gate.